So how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now I apologize if my voice sounds a little different. I've been a little bit I've been kind of sick this past week. I got kind of a nasty fall cold, so earlier in the week I was not doing so great. I was still trading every day this week, but I was definitely taking it easy on like Monday and Tuesday, but I'm doing better now. So in this video, just like last week, I just want to go over some of the trades I took this past week, as well as share the live recording with you, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at my trading journal so I can really kind of break down some of my trades, and you guys can just see how I did this past week. So on my Apex account, I was profitable. On my options account, definitely not. I'm starting to realize I'm really not so great at trading options, especially with my own capital. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get into the live recordings, and then we'll take a look at the journal afterwards. So enjoy the live trading. Double top on the NASDAQ.
Order filled.
I'm short on the NASDAQ. Just continuing to squeeze, placing my stop right above the 60s.
Order filled.
Okay, we got stopped out there. That's it's all right. It was definitely worth a shot to the downside. I'm going to get in short here on the ES. We're inside of a fair value gap on a 5-minute. I'm just kind of sensing that there's more downside here.
Order filled.
Okay, nice. That was a nice continuation to the downside, and I need to get going to work now. Okay, right now we're pushing into 4,300 on ES here. We're also approaching the prior day close. Might be worth trying some shorts here. I'm gonna go for it. This is a very big resistance level up here. Plus we just took out this high. It's starting to come back down. We'll see if we get this continuation on down. This 4,300 is a big level this morning, so. Okay, I'm going to buy two back here. And this last one I'm leaving as a runner.
Order canceled.
This 5-minute candle looks really nice. I hope it doesn't get reversed. So it is pushing back up right now. We're bouncing off the VWAP. But we'll see if the sellers can take control once again.
Order filled.
Alright, we were just stopped out for break even on the last contract. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at my Notion and journal. So these are all my trades from the past week. From the 16th to the 20th, I averaged about 2 trades a day. Took 3 on Monday, no trades on Tuesday. Yeah, the market was pretty slow on Monday and Tuesday. So I found 0 opportunity on Tuesday, 2 trades on Wednesday, 3, well technically 4 on Thursday, and I took 2 on Friday. Only took 3 futures trades. I took a $33 loss on Monday and an $86 win on Wednesday, and on Friday I made $65. But yeah, I definitely want to break down these futures trades. So let's go ahead and get into this one, and let's take a look at my entry here. Yeah, so here I kind of fell for a bear trap. To me it looked like a double top. Plus we swept the high of day on this candle. This was a very nice gravestone doji. And then when it started to break past that, I went short here. I was looking for a downside move, possibly to this level, and markets just continued to squeeze up. So I took a small loss there. But on Wednesday, I had a nice win trading the ES short. And this made back the loss plus a lot more, actually. Now, I actually had a ton of FOMO on this day because I was thinking about potentially going short up here. I think this was a key level on the SPY that I was watching. I just didn't have the confidence. The hesitation got to me, so that would have been an awesome short. But then at about 9:45, I noticed we had this was a 5-minute fair value gap. You can't tell because this is the 2-minute, but this was a nice fair value gap. We pushed back into that as well as the previous low day, and we started to reject that nicely. So I went short here, and I took profit at this key level here. So that was a nice downside scalp, so I caught a piece of the downside. So that was a nice little trade. And then on Friday, man, this could have been a monster trade. 4,300 was the main supply zone that I was watching going into the morning, and I caught the exact top. The problem was I got stopped out at break even on my runner. So yeah, here we rejected 4,300 as well as prior day close perfectly. Went short here. I had 3 micros here. I took off 2 at the VWAP and moved my stop to break even. I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna hold 1 as a runner. Hopefully we can get down to the pre-market low. And sure enough, the market came back up. It ran the break-even stops just like it does, and it continued to sell off. I could have re-entered here, and I clearly should have. So yeah, I definitely missed out. I could have made some serious progress on my Apex account yesterday. But that's okay. I still caught a piece of it, and I'm just glad that I had the right idea. I shorted the exact top of the ES, so I'm proud of that, but I should have capitalized on it more. So yeah, those were all my futures trades. The rest of these were just scalps on my Webull account. And I really just have not been doing too well trading options lately. You can see at the start of the week, my small Webull account was at 219. And by the end, it was at 185. So, it's super difficult to grow a small amount of money trading options. And this account is to the point where, it's so low that I might as well just refund it and kind of restart. I might wait till next year to do that, but I'd like to start a new account with like maybe 2,000 or something. So anyway, yeah, I don't want to bore you guys by showing you all these little scalps, but it's like the same setups I pretty much always trade. This trade was just like a demand bounce. I went long off this key level, got to move to the upside, but of course I took profit too soon. So I just made like pennies on this trade. And then on Thursday I kind of went on tilt. I took 2 losses in a row on Meta. I kept trying to short this 320 level. Yeah, I tried to short this level twice and got stopped out 2 times in a row. And then I used the rest of my buying power and took some kind of stupid trades. So anyway, yeah, options trading is not going so well for me right now, but futures trading has been quite a bit better. This is probably the closest I've ever been to passing the Apex evaluation. The goal is to make 1,500 starting with 25K. By the way, it's not real money. This is just the evaluation. And right now, we're sitting at 25,741. So we're about halfway. I think that's the closest I've ever been. And my goal is to pass by the end of this year. So anyway, yeah, those were my trades from the past week. I did all right, but definitely could have been better. And I hope you guys enjoy and appreciate that I'm being transparent about it. And yeah, if you have any advice for me as a trader, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And I would love to read it and reply to you because I just want to keep on doing everything I can to improve. And I hope you guys enjoy these weekly recaps as I just continue to document my journey of becoming a trader. And I appreciate all the support. Feel free to follow me and help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And I will gladly continue to make this trading content. And yeah, that's all I got for you today. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.